Hello, welcome to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cut trouser using this fabric right here. So if you have watched the previous video, then you should know how to take measurements for trouser and the various measurements that you need. So first of all, we go to the top of the trouser. So when cutting trouser, we basically start from right to left of your table. From right to left of your table. So this is what I'm going to draw my first line right here. First line, and then okay, that piece is coming up, so we're not going to use this piece anymore. Let's start from here. So this will be my first line. Then I'm going to draw another line right here. This side. Good. So now from my first line, I'm going to measure 3/4. So this 3/4 is what is going to slant the front of my trousers. Now the length of the trouser. So from the beginning of the trouser, which is here, we'll measure the length and we'll add 2 inches to it. So okay. So the length of this trouser is 39.5. We'll add 2 inches to it to make it 41.5. So we'll do the same thing here. But then while I'm still here, I'm going to measure 1 inch from this 39.5, not from the 2 inches I added, but 39.5 right here. There's a reason for that, but take the time you understand the reason. But the thing is, this 1 inch that I measured up, that I lined up, this is where I'm going to be taking the bottom measurement from. Why it happens like that is after joining the band in the trouser, you see that it will no longer be 2 inches that's left in the down for you to fold. Most times it will be around 2.5, 3 inches. So that is why we start measuring the ankle from 1 inch upwards so that you can get accurate measurements. So from this point, I'm going to take out 2 inches. 2 inches, so just leave that there first. So now the waist. So the waist is 32. The waist of this person is 32. So when cutting trousers, you divide the waist by 4 inches. Divide the waist by 4 inches, then add 1 inch to it. So if you divide 32 by 4, it's 8. Then add 1 inch, making it 9. So basically what you get here is what you bring down here. So everything here is 9. So you bring the 9 down. But if it is someone like an old person that wants it free, you can make it 9.25. You can add a quarter to what you anything you get there. So now for this line here that I got from the same measurement from here, which is basically a square now, is where I'll measure my thigh from. So now the thigh there is 24.5. So the thigh divided by 2. 24.5 is 12.25. Then I'll add a quarter to it, not 12.5. Now, what do we get here? We got 9, have you? So we'll come here, down here, and measure 10. Just add 1 inch to it before you get there. So that means the waist divided by 4 plus 1 inch. But here, the waist divided by 4 plus 2 inch. So this point to this point, we are going to rule it. And this very thing I'm doing here is very important because there are some trousers that you may make and you find out that the trouser, the around the thigh is extremely tight for the person. But not that the trouser is really a tight trouser, because those people take this point straight. It's not supposed to be, it's not supposed to be straight. It's supposed to be slant just like this. So now, remember we'll take out 2 inches from here. So we're going to now measure the ankle. The ankle is 15. So what you do is the ankle divided by 2 plus quarter. The ankle divided by 2. Sorry, just the ankle divided by 2. You don't have to add a quarter to it. So I'm supposed to measure the calf and the knee as if you like to, but with experience, this is how the trouser is going to be. Because I basically cut freehand. Freehand. Okay, you may not be able to see clearly, but I think I can see what I'm doing. Good. So we have our shape there. So now measure 2 inches from here and measure like 2.5 from there, and then bring it down. So this will make the front lower. To make the front lower, which is very important for your trousers. So this is what I'm going to cut out right now. How it looks. So now this is the front of the trousers. So the next thing to do is to cut the back of the trouser. So for most tailors out there, when they are cutting the back of the trouser, they have this very easy to follow rule, which works. It works. So you can also decide to follow that rule. Just from this tip here, just measure 2.5 inch. No, 3 inches, and you are good to go. But as for me, I make detailed measurements. And usually this detailed measurement also falls on the same 3 inches. So it's fine. I can just go with it. So what you do is you bring it here and you measure from this tip to this other tip 3 inches. If you want to be on the safer side, you want to just be confident, then you can make it 3.5. So now this point here, they will tell you just make it 2 inches and it's fine. Make it 2 inches is fine. So now what you're trying to do from here is to from this point make a nice curve to this point. Good. So if basically mark out this the leg part of the back. So my table is not that big, so I'll have to shift it a little bit in order to mark out the top. Trousers. To this point, I'll bring it straight down Then I'll make trouser higher with 1 3/4 inch, 1 3/4 inch. So what I'll do is this: everything I got here before, I'm going to add 2 inches to it. That's how I get the height here. So everything that was there was 9 inch. So now I'm going to from here hold the tip at anywhere 11 inch, which is 2 inches from 9 inch, touches this top line. That's where I'll mark. So it's going to come like this. Sorry. Yeah, like that. So now how do I get the seat or the hip? The hip of this person is 38. So this way, I'm going to teach this way in another video, not on this one. But um, this is basically what you do here. This is basically what you do here. So when you're measuring yours, to make it easy and to get the measurement, just take from here like 2.5 inch, and then take it, cut it, and you'll be fine. That's how I usually cut them. Yeah, when I started working on it was working well for me. It's just with time and with experience that I'm not making it more detailed. Yeah. But, Alright, so this is our trouser. This is our trouser. Is out. So that's how to basically cut out the trousers.